much to lean.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I have the Juvias Place. This is the chocolates. This is the palette right here. I wanted to dip into this palette, do a quick tutorial for you guys. This palette has been out already, but once again, I want to try the chocolates palette. I want to see how it's going to look on me. So if you're interested on how it's going to turn out, keep on watching. And also if you're new to my channel, subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. All right, y'all, so I have my eyes based with the P. Louise. I have it in the shade 0.5. So I'm going to go in with a transition shade. And I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm just going to put that on the edge. I'm about to show you guys what I'm talking about. Probably just right here. It's kind of light. So I'm just going to put it at the tip. Do it on the tip. Yeah, so I'm going to put it at the, if that even makes sense, the tip right here, y'all. Alrighty, so next I'm going to go in with this chocolate shade right here, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. All right, so I have the brown shade applied. Next, I'm gonna go in. So these two shades look like twins to me. This one looks a tad darker than this one. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one and just deepen up the crease area and lightly apply it. And I think I'm probably only gonna apply it right here, like a moon shape. All right, so now I think it's time to cut my crease. I like how this is looking. My crease is cut. Next, I'm about to go in and do my lid. I'm going to go in with this shade and this shade. I forgot to show y'all my eyeliner. So I did my eyeliner and I'm using some lashes that I got from AliExpress like 2 years ago, and they're still in good condition. Like, what you talking about? But yeah, I'm about to put the other one on. I forgot that I was not filming. What the? So, what the heck, y'all? What the heck? Oh, shoot. So, I have my face makeup done. Next, I'm just setting my nose contour with my Laura Mercier powder. And I guess I'm gonna set my highlight real quick. Normally, I already set it when I do my Studio Fix powder, but I don't know, I'm oily. Next, I'm gonna dip back into that brown palette. What did I do with it? Next, I'm gonna go in and do my lips.
When I close my eyes, I see your face, a memory that doesn't fade away. I wish I could remove you from my mind. I wish I could remove you from my mind. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. You're here.
All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I really like how it turned out. Popping. So anyway, y'all, I hope y'all like my cup that I got from Discovery Clothing. Cute. It's a matte black. This is so sexy, y'all. So thank you for tuning in. Love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Didn't mean to feel the way